Very good morning, students. Today we will see in exercise 1C question number 5th and question number 6th. Okay. In question number 5th, write 5 pairs A and B such that A divided by B is equal to -3. Okay. If you divide A by B, then answer should become -3. So one pair in examples they have given -12 comma 4. See, -12 divided by 4 if you have done, then the answer will be -3. Like this 5 pairs we have to write. Any 5 pairs, okay, you can make. See here, for example, 21 comma -7. 7 3s are 21. One time minus, answer will come -3. Okay. Another pair will be -3, answer we want. See here, -30 comma 10. 10 3s are 30. Answer will be in minus because one time. So like this 5 pairs you have to write. Any 5 pairs you can write. Okay. Now question number 6 is verify A divided by in bracket B plus C is not equals to in bracket A divided by B plus another bracket A divided by C. See, we have to verify. A value is given, A, B and C's value given. So we have to put this value in this format. Then what we have to show? This side should not be equal to this side. That we have to show after putting this value. Okay. So directly after this I am writing A is equal to 20. Put 20 divided by in bracket value of B is -2. See here, minus value, so that I have taken here square bracket because minus is there. I have to take in small bracket. Okay. Plus value of C is 4. Okay. A, B, C's value we have put there. After that, now not equal to, don't have to cross this. Okay. We have to show. After that we will decide it is equal to or not equal to, right? Value of A again 20 divided by value of B is -2. Directly you can write, no issue here. Okay. Plus A divided by C. Value of A is 20. 20 divided by value of C is 4. Like this we have to write. I have managed there because already I had written ABC's value. Okay. Now you have to calculate this side as well as this side. 20 as it is. Therefore 20 divided by, in small bracket we will see. It will be outside the bracket, means -2 plus 4 is equal to 20 divided by -2. Answer will come in minus because one time minus sign is there. In 2's table 20 is coming. 2 10s are, right? So answer is 10, but one time minus, answer will be in minus. So -10. Now plus 20 divided by 4. In 4's table 20 is coming. 4 5s are, right? 4 5s are 20. So after solving this, what we got? -10 plus 5. Okay. Now here 20 will be as it is divided by -2 plus 4. In basics we saw, every time I am saying about basics, so it's very important. -2 plus 4, answer will be 2 only, no need to explain, is equal to -10 plus 5. Answer is -5. Here also no need to explain. Sign are different, we have to subtract. Okay. Now therefore 20 divided by 2, answer is, in 2's table 20 is coming. 2 10s are, okay. 10 is equal to -5. 10 is equal to 10 you got? No. Otherwise -5 is equal to here -5 you got? No. So obviously it is not equals to, 10 is not equals to -5. Therefore we have verified this. Means how we have to write? Same as it is this question. A divided by in bracket B plus C not equals to A divided by B plus in bracket A divided by C. You have to write same this line downside and have to give the bracket like this. This step you have to write. Okay, thank you. And I think these two concept of these questions you got it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.